Hi, I'm Kristen and I'm from One Focus Property Management, and today I'm going to take you on the tour of 145 Center Street in Danville, Pennsylvania. This is a single family home. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, 2 half bathrooms, laundry, pantry, great features. I'm not going to sit here and chat about it for too long because I'm going to walk you through and talk about it the whole time anyhow. So sit back, and after we do the walkthrough tour, I'll tell you how to make this the next place that you're calling home. So first up on the tour is right on the front porch, so you can take a look at the neighborhood a little bit and look at this great porch. Makes it really easy to put some rocking chairs out here to be able to do some porch sitting. When you walk in, great little entryway floor. I love the design on it. Leads right up to a nice wide stairway that goes upstairs. Your downstairs is kind of split by the stairwell. This would make a really great designated dining room. You could do an office, kind of whatever you want, because the kitchen's big enough to do eat in, but if you want to do a big grand table, this is definitely a place that it would fit very easily. And then come around to the other side here. I imagine this would be very, very nice for a living room. Be able to put a nice couch over here, maybe a love seat, armchair, something like that. And then use this little wood accent wall to be able to put your entertainment center so you can have your television right in there. Or not television. Some of us don't watch TV. I'm one of those people. Got a storage closet here. And before we go into the kitchen, we're gonna just take a look here at this half bathroom. Makes it very convenient if you're entertaining because they don't have to go up any steps or anything. And then we're into the kitchen. So as you can see immediately when we walk through, we have this cool pantry area here. Plenty of room on the floor. You know, you can store like a potato bin, whatever you might need. Slide that over, and then you have your high efficiency washer and dryer. Lots of cabinets here. I love the two-tone style with the light on top, dark on bottom. If you needed extra space, you can definitely fit. You could probably put an island or something here, but as you can see as I'm standing back, there's plenty of room if you want to make this an eat-in kitchen to really best utilize the spaces out there in the rest of the downstairs. Before we go upstairs though, I don't want to forget to show you this really cute private backyard. Loving all the space, plenty of room to entertain out here. There is the entryway to the basement. You have utilization of space out here in the shed and plenty of room to park. You can see the One Focus car peeking out right over there. Makes it nice. Love having that off-street parking. That is so wonderful, especially in the winter months. So let's walk around and take you upstairs so you can see what we've got cooking up here for you. Again, like I said, this stairwell is very wide. Getting furniture up here is not going to be a huge issue at all. So first bedroom, nice and bright. Plenty of space to put a king-size bed. You've got a nice closet here. Nice and deep, double hang bars. Right on the other side, you have again another nice size room. You could fit a king size bed in here. Closet actually leads up to the attic crawl space. I'm not going to open it, but it is a big closet. And then you've got this attic access right here. I'm going to be honest, I don't know what's up there. Coming through the last bedroom, you have this little inlet area here, and that leads into your full bathroom. Cute little cozy cove there with your vanity. And then you have your tub and shower and some additional storage over here. And then this is the last bedroom. I would say this is probably more suitable for a smaller size bed, like a twin bed, maybe a full, depending on how much floor space you want walking around. But you do have access to another half bath. There's a little hang bar here if you want to use that for closet storage. There's the shelves, and then you've got a toilet and a nice size vanity. Well, we've got some great space here in this house, a lot of neat features. things that, you know, really make this place a home. But what's missing is you. So what you need to do is go to www.onefocuspm.com. You look at our residential listings and you find this property there to view all the information, book your tour, and even submit an application. If you'd like to talk to a real person like me, because I'm pretty chatty and I love to talk, so you'll call today at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we're here to help you find the next place that you're calling home, and we really think that this one is it for you.